Marcus, how you doing? So I'm going to show you how to use some of the apps that I use to quickly produce content. As you know, content is king, content is everything. I'm also going to give you a list. I'll probably just take screenshots because it's so much easier for me. A screenshot of my Audible book list, because there are some great books on there. Yeah, that will tell you everything you need to know. But yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to use a couple of the apps that I use to produce content quickly. Again, you want to do it quickly. You want to be first to market. You want to be top of mind. You always want to be new, interesting, and different. So it sort of keeps them like, that's why McDonald's doesn't run the same commercial over and over again, right? You've always got to switch it up, but it's the same message, just presented differently or whatever. So, yeah, you want to produce a lot of content. You want to produce content quickly. You want to be able to change it up, and I'm going to show you the apps that I use that allow me to do that and to still make you look professional, and it's quick. And video marketing is everything now. If you've been doing any research, but you've only been doing stuff I've been asking you to do, like the brand audit and user interface and user experience. Yeah, you're going to see how video marketing is on the rise. It's been on the rise. It makes you look more professional. People are engaged. I have a whole bunch of statistics. I'll probably give you a link to a video to watch about that. But anyway, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this video, which is 1 minute and 45 seconds, and I'm going to add the Mappdom logo to it. I'm going to put an intro and an outro, and I'm going to put a couple of ending slides and a call to action at the end.